Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Plan account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click there and type in yourplan.org.uk like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for your plan login like this on the Google itself, and you can see the yourplan.org.uk is on here, is over here on the result page of Google. Click over there. You are on the login page of your plan's website, but to go to your sign in page from the home page of your plan website, you can see the sign in option available on the top left corner of your screen. My mouse pointer is over there right now. Click over there and we will be landed on the same page. Now since both of these pages are same, let's close one of these. Now to enter to your plan account, enter your username or your email over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then answer the question asked by the website on your screen to prove that you're not a robot, and click on login to sign into your plan account from your desktop. And if you have not yet created an account on your plan website, click on this option which says click here to register to go to the sign up page of your plan website. And there, guys, this is how you log into your plan website. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.